We typically see kids with ASD kind of struggle in that typical classroom setting. It's very overstimulating, and sometimes that's just not the right setting for your child, and that's okay. So here at the Linden Center, we tried to create a preschool program that would mimic that environment as much as possible.
The Linden Explorers Program is an ABA program where we really focus on those academic readiness skills while still continuing to build the social skills, communication skills, and we individualize it for the kids that we have here to make sure that everything is appropriate for our children.
We utilize an academic curriculum with weekly themes, hands-on activities. We make sure we have that group setting, that schedule. Every child that enters that program is given still that one-on-one attention, but it's a little laid back. It's more that they're expected to be in that group. They're expected to be learning from that teacher. So that way, when they are ready to transition into mainstream school again, they don't need that one-on-one support anymore. They have the tools to focus on the group leader, to learn from their peers, and to really get the most out of school.
If you're interested in the preschool program, we really encourage you to come check out the space, come see what the rooms look like, come see what the daily schedules look like, and really make sure it's going to be a right fit for you.